Hi guys, I'm Kunal, one of the co-founders of Just Fence, and in this video we are going to be talking about the Australian polypropylene screen, a product which is taking the Indian market by storm. We will be covering in detail where this product is being used and what are the technical details and how it can really increase the aesthetic value of your garden or terrace areas. So let's get started. So this product is commonly used in gardens and terrace areas, but it's such a versatile product. It can also be used in swimming pool partitions, it can be used in walkways, it can be used in grounds, it can even be used on top of the compound walls, and it looks very, very nice. So this product is made of polypropylene, which is a very high grade of polymer, and as it's a polymer, it is rust free and it has a very, very high shelf life. So you can put it on the outdoors for 20-25 years, you will absolutely have no issues whatsoever. So this is a product which is very tough and at the same time it's very lightweight, as opposed to metals which can get very heavy and will be very tough during installation and a lot of welding is involved. But in this case, all this is avoided. So coming to the technical specification, this comes in a standard size of 8 feet by 4 feet. And the thickness of this material is about 5 mm, and the opening is roughly about an inch, which gives you about 75% privacy. So the installation of this product is also very, very simple. All you need to do is create a back frame to give it support, and you can easily kind of self-screw this panels onto that frame. So this is a product which is very aesthetically pleasing. It comes in a wood grain finish and it looks really nice and it doesn't fade. Now another advantage of this product is it is waterproof. So be it rain, sunshine, swimming pool water, anything, nothing would happen to this particular product. Coming to the pricing, the latest pricing of this can be got on our website, which is www.justfence.in. So you can visit the website and get to know of the latest pricing, and we ship it across India. So here are some pictures of the executed projects, which will give you an idea of how it looks after installation. So the link to buy this product is in the description below, and please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with more educational videos for you. Thank you.